will be my first job, real job.
About a decade.
About a decade. Ah! Buckle up, baby, because we're on our way. Let's go! You're probably wondering what the heck have we been doing these past, 2 weeks? Well, we've been snowed in at our son's house, having a great time with our grandson, building a snowman, and just hanging out. That's what we were doing. Now, we're gonna go to work. And if you're new to this channel, I'm Lori, and that sexy guy behind me is Ruben.
And we are
Life After Kids, Journey Unknown. We are a couple empty nesters.
Free birds.
Who sold everything, bought an RV, and hit the road. Now we are about to go work on our first work camping job.
Hell yeah.
So we're super excited.
Nervecited. This weather is not ideal for what we like to travel in. It's still cold, there's still a lot of snow around, and we're a little nervous traveling, but we're gonna take it real slow. I'm Mexican, I like to cruise.
Love.
It's gonna be fine. We're fine. We're just cruising. Don't worry about it.
We're really high up right now in elevation, and the snow has gotten a little bit worse. And there's flashing signs about having chains and stuff. We haven't seen anybody with chains yet, but I'm freaking out here. I'm freaking out bad.
Just breathe.
No. I don't want to drive in the snow. Oh my gosh, I could see snow on the road. Baby, please go slow. Please go slow.
I'm going slow, damn it. I am going slow. Relax. Okay? Breathe. Breathe. It's fine. We're good. Okay? We're good.
This is some scary shit, people. No joke. We're from LA. We don't know about snow. I don't like it. I'm really trying not to cry on camera right now. Help.
We're just cruising.
Send help, guys. Finally out of the snow. Woo, thank you, God. I was scared. We're about an hour away. We're super nerve-sided. Yeah. Oh.
And now it's time for gas. Okay, there's one thing about Oregon, maybe you don't know, but we don't pump our own gas. They got somebody to do it for you.
20 miles from the KOA. Oh, we're super excited.
Yay, yay.
Whew. Ew. When you're driving and you haven't dumped and you start hitting bumps, let's just say it becomes a poop slushy.
Poop soup.
And it starts to smell throughout the RV. RV life.
RV.
We're super close.
So close. I am so excited. I'm ready to work. Let's go to work.
Okay, we're about to pull in. Oh my gosh. Okay, we will come back to you right after we check in.
So excited. So excited.
Yeah. Oh! Well, we just got our paperwork.
And we're in our spot.
Oh!
Yeah, boy.
Now time to get set up and get comfy.
Hell yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.